students. In this lecture, I am going to solve the problems on Lagrange's interpolation. Right now, students, using Lagrange's interpolation formula, find y at 10. Or students, y at 10 from the following table. Given students, x, y values 5, 6, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. See students here 5, 6, the reference is 1 here, 6, 9, 3. So this is unequal interval, students. The first point is it is unequal intervals. Right. Solution. What is formula, students? Y is equal to f of x, that is equal to, say this is x0, x1, x2, x3, students, x3. So what is formula, students, here? You first skip x0, so x minus x0 by, into x1, students, x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by, what, students? x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3 into y0. What is y0 here, students? This is y0, y1, y2, y3. Right. What next term? Next term, x minus, this term you skip x1, students. So x0 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into, students, y1 plus this time skip x2, x minus x0, x minus x1 into x minus x3 divided by, you write x2 in place of x, students, so x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2 plus this time skip, students, x3, so x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3 students. This is the formula. Now what is x, students, here? What is x? What is x here? X is 10. So x value is 10. X value is here 10. So y is equal to f of 10, students. F of 10, that is equal to x minus x1. What is x here, students? X value is 10. So 10 minus x1, 6 into 10 minus 9 into 10 minus 11 divided by, you write 5, students, 5 minus 6, 5 minus 9, 5 minus 11 into y0, student. What is y0? 12 plus x minus x0, students. This time skip 6, students. So 10 minus x0, student, 5, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11 divided by, you write 6, students, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 11 into, what is y1 value, students? 30 plus this time skip, students, 9. So 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 11 divided by, you write 9, students, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 11. y2 value 14 plus this time skip 11. So what is x value? 10. 10 minus 5 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 9 divided by Divide by, write 11 students. 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9 into y 3 value 16. So that is equal to 10 minus 6 students 4 into 10 minus 9 1, 10 minus 11 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 6 minus 1, 5 minus 9 minus 4, 5 minus 11 minus 6 into 12 plus second term students 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 9 1, 10 minus 11 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 6 minus 11 minus 5 into 13 plus here 10 minus 5 5 into 10 minus 6 4, 10 minus 11 minus 1 divided by 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 11 minus 2 into 40 students plus 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 6 4, 10 minus 9 1 divided by 11 minus 5 6, 11 minus 4 5, 11 minus 9 2 into 16 that is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 4 students. So plus we get first term as plus 4 cancel students. This 6 2 times. Finally we get here only 2 students plus. Again we have how many minus students? 1 2 3. So we get here minus. What students? Minus 5 cancel. 5 cancel students. So we get here 13 by 3. See students, how many minus are there? 2 minuses. So plus. Here 4 cancel students. 4 cancel. This 2 7 times. So 7 5s are 35. 35 by 3 students. 35 by 3. See students, there are no negative terms. So plus 5 cancel. This 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Finally we get here 16 by 3. So that is equal to, what is the LCM students? 3. So we get here 6 minus 13 plus 35 plus 16. That is equal to 35 plus 16 plus 6. That is equal to 57 students minus 13. We get 44. 44 by 3. That is equal to get here 14.667. This is the value, students. This is the value. See students, you can check here. Here 10 students. We have 10 here. 10 means it lies between 9 and 11 students. 9 and 11. So the value must be between 14 and 16. So we get here 14.667. Okay students. That means that value is almost correct, students. Okay. Let us see another problem. Write down the problem, students. Given mu naught is equal to 580, mu 1 is equal to 556, mu 2 is equal to 520, and mu 4 is equal to 385. Find mu 3. Okay, students, a little bit different model, students. Different model. What is table value, students? What is x value and what is y value? It is enough to find what is x and what is y. Then we can apply this formula, students. Right? Say suffix is x value, students. Suffix is x value. Say mu is 0, so means x value is 0. What is value, students? 580. Mu 1, students, 1. So 556. Mu 2 given 520. See students here 4. 385. Okay students, 385. It says find mu 3 students. Find mu 3. So what is x value here students? X value is, how much tell me? 3. X value is 3. So solution, say this is x0, x1, x2, x3. This is y0, y1, y2, y3 students. Write down the formula students first. Write down the formula, right? And then y, that is equal to f of x value students. X value is 3. So that is equal to x value is 3 students. 3 minus 0. X, I am skipping 0 students. So 1, 3 minus 2, and then 3 minus 4 divided by 0. First term is 0 students. So 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3 into 580 plus, this time skip 1 students. So 3 minus 0, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 4 divided by, you write 1 students. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4. What is y1 students? 556 plus x value is 3. So 3 minus, this time skip students, 2. So 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4. What is the y2 value students? 520 plus 3, you skip this time 4 students. So 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 divided by, write 4 students. So 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 into y3, 385. What students? 385. So that is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 4. We get here minus 1 students divided by, we get here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 into 580 plus 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 4, minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2, minus 1, 1 minus 4, minus 3 into 556 plus here 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 4, minus 1 divided by 2, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 2 into 520 plus 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1 divided by 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 2 into 385. That is equal to, how many minus are students? 1, 2, 3. So plus students. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. We get here 580. 580 by 3. 6 students here. How many minus are there? 3 minuses. So minus. This 3 cancel. We get here 556. 56. 2 minus here plus 2 cancel here. These 2. How many times students? 2260. So multiply students. 3 into 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 1, 780 students. 780 plus 3 cancel, 2 cancel. 385 by 4. 385 by 4. That is equal to 580 by 3 plus 385 by 4. So students, 780 minus 556, that is equal to, we get 224 students plus 224. So that is equal to, we get here students. What is LCM students? LCM is 12. LCM is 12. So 4 into 580 plus 3 into 385 plus 12 into 224 students. 224. That is equal to, we calculate at a time students here. Put bracket 4 into 580 plus 3 into 385 plus 12 into 224 bracket close divided by 12. We get here 513.583. 513.583. We can check here students. 5. We can check here. Mu 3. Okay students. Mu 2 value 520. It decreasing students. 385. That means the value lies between 520 and 385. So we get here 513 students. So the value is approximately correct. So this is about Lagrange's interpolation formula students. In the next class, I am going to discuss the polynomial students. Polynomial in Lagrange's interpolation. How to find. So thank you for watching this video. Jai.